Hello, we are from the Spend Smart group, and we have created an application, a program, and it's called Spend Smart, which is basically an expense tracker. And this group consists of four people: me, Aiman, Abdul Khalis, Amin Ridwan, and Lukman Hafiyuddin.
The proposed Spend Smarts project is designed to help the citizens of Malaysia to track their daily expenses efficiently, providing them with a clear overview of their spending habits over a 1 week period. By allowing users to input their daily expenditures, the program processes this data to calculate key financial metrics such as the total weekly expense, average daily spending, and identifies both the highest and lowest spending days. The tool also classifies each day's expense as the above average, below average, or exactly average. These features enable users to understand their financial behavior, make informed decisions, and maintain a budget that aligns with their goals. The program uses simple control structure in C++ such as loops for repeat input, selection for classification, and arithmetic operation to calculate the required financial data. Spend Smart is intended for everyone looking to gain better control over their finances, especially those who want a straightforward, user-friendly way to monitor and assess their spending. The primary objective of the Spend Smart project is to develop a simple yet effective tool for individuals to track and manage their daily expenses. Specifically, the project aims to first to track daily expenses, allows user to input their expense for each day of the week and store this information for further analysis. Next, to track the highest and lowest expense of the week. Analyze the information given and display the highest and lowest spending day and also the amount spent on that day. Next, to track the above average, average, and below average spending of the week. Analyze the information given and display the average spending of the week, and from that can convert the above and below average spending of the week. Last, to track the total expenses from all the information analyzed. Analyze the information taken from both sides and figure out the total expense for the week. By achieving this objective, SpendSmart aims to provide users with a tool that is easy to use, yet powerful enough to offer valuable insight into their daily financial activities.
Thanks, Amin. So I will talk about IPO in our program. So first of all, the program will get input from user. So the program will get food ring and necessities from user. So for the process, the first function is to find the total average, lowest and highest expenses for food ring category. And next, Simon. All right. For the second function, is to find the total average, lowest and highest expenses for necessities category. All right. And the next function is to add up the total from both sides. And finally, for the output, it will show all the information that was analyzed by the program. So that's all from me.
First, I will talk about our function. Start with the main function. This is the main function and it will get the user input. And from the user input, it will go to their specific function. So next is the food drink function. And the main objective of this function is to get the user input for the food and drink category, and it will enter the analyze spending function. Next, this is the necessities function, and the main objectives of this function is to get the user input for the necessities category, and it will enter the analyze spending function. For this function, the objective is to find the total, average, lowest and highest spending for each category, which is the food, drink, and necessities. This function is to display the information that was analyzed by the program. Lastly, this function is to find out the spending, either they are above, below, or exactly the same as the user spending.
Okay, thank you, Luqman, for the explanation of the flowchart. Let's head to the demo of the program itself. And first, you enter the program and you see this screen specifically, and there's 4 options. Let's enter the first option. Okay, and you will see enter food, drink expenses for each day of the week. Let's put some random numbers in there. Let's put the number 6, 7, just put random numbers in there. Okay, and now it says that food, drink data has been updated. And let's go to the next one, which is the input necessities category. And let's put random numbers too in there. Okay, now the necessities data has been updated. And now let's view all the total expenses of both of these categories. Let's go to the third option. As you can see, it shows the food, drink expenses, the total of it, the average of the food, drink expenses, the lowest expenses, the highest expenses, and for the classification, it shows the average of the expenses. Either it's above or below, and it can be it also can be exactly average, same as the necessities part. Okay, and for the last part of our program, we have a quit button. So let's quit, and at the end it will show exiting program, and it will say goodbye as you quit the program. So that's all for our presentation. I hope Madam get to understand our program better and enjoy our presentation. And it has been me, I'm Alif, with these 3, Khalis, Amin, and Luqman Hafidin. Bye bye, Madam.
Bye, madam.
Bye, madam.
Bye.